In a world where broccoli is hailed as a superfood and lentils are considered high-performance fuel, one question remains. Why do so many vegans feel like absolute rubbish? Welcome to the Vegan Repair Kit, a meat-based emergency service for those who've been kale-punched by the plant kingdom. You see, unlike cows, plants can't leg it when under threat. So instead, they weaponized chemistry, oxalates, lectins, saponins. Like microscopic ninjas, they sneak into your system and start sabotaging everything from your kidneys to your hormones. And you thought that smoothie was so virtuous? Bless. Animated kitchen with health foods and drinks. Spinach, once Popeye's best friend, now your kidney's worst nightmare. Loaded with oxalates, it can contribute to kidney stones sharper than your average TikTok comment section. Damn. And yet it's in every green juice, every cleanse, every so-called detox. What the heck? Oh, the irony. Bright rescue center with heroic atmosphere. Enter the Vegan Repair Kit, a scientifically sound, evolutionarily tested rescue pack. Made entirely of animals. Beef, rich in bioavailable iron, zinc, and actual muscle-building amino acids. Not the pretend ones you need 6 chickpeas and a prayer for. Eggs, nature's multivitamin. Butter, a dose of saturated fat to rebuild your broken cholesterol pathways. Liver, optional if you're feeling brave. Tired vegan eyes, Vegan Repair Kit, hopefully. Vegetable villains look worried at Kit. Human body revitalized by animated food. Vegan transforms, gaining energy and health. Plant ninjas retreat from empowered vegan. Narrator winks knowingly at camera. If you've had brain fog since that oat milk macchiato, or your joints ache every time you try to do yoga on a recycled mat, don't worry, the Vegan Repair Kit is on its way. Subscribe for more episodes of the Vegan Repair Kit. Leave a comment if kale has personally victimized you. Damn, kale! And if you're ready to meet your potential, head to compositionconsultant.com. No nonsense. Next week, the tofu hangover. Spoiler alert, it's not sexy. Seriously, it's a mess.
In a world where strength defines legends, unleash your inner legend. Join the carnivore muscle movement today.